We present the latest generation air-water heat pumps, the new Vitocal 150A and 151A. Design and technology combined, inside and out. The heat pump is particularly sustainable thanks to its efficient technology and intelligent design. The hydraulics have been completely rethought with the new hydro auto control at the heart of the indoor unit, simplifying the heat pump installation and saving 90 minutes on installation compared to equivalent models. And as it can be upgraded over time, it is therefore future-proof. The new compact design also saves space inside and outside the house. Thanks to its high maximum flow temperature capability, the new heat pump could replace a gas boiler, and existing radiators could continue to be used to heat the home. With the smart control unit, you always have an overview of all data all of the time. You simply control your new heat pump via the VCare app on your tablet or smartphone, and your heating engineer can monitor your Vitocal remotely using vGuide. A heat pump cannot be hidden, so how it looks counts. Ready for the next generation? Vitocal 150A and 151A are available now.